Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of this Pupbox for December 2018. Look at my nails, they're very Christmassy. So I'm just gonna take my scissors here and cut out because I can't officially cut the tape. And I'm just gonna open up the Pupbox. This is what it looks like. Yappy Yowwables. Yes, I told them I had a puppy, so this comes with some training tips for my 3-month-old puppy. And there's a back. So put that up there, and it's probably gonna tell you, oh, there's a holiday photo contest. Holiday photo contest. Oh, this paper I just grabbed tells us what's inside. I'm not gonna show you that yet. Okay, so first thing I see is this toy. This is so cute. This is so cute. It is really fuzzy and it squeaks really loud, and I guess it's a tough toy. And meanwhile, I'm just exposing the rest of the box. So there's that. Next thing I see is let's see, Dogs for Dogs Dog Busters. Looks like some kind of treats. Oh, it's peanut butter snack for dogs. So this is specially made peanut butter to give your dog. Although you could give them normal peanut butter, because when she went to the vet at first, they gave her normal peanut butter. So there's got to be like a toy in here for this peanut butter then, or they wouldn't just give us peanut butter. Oh, it's giving us a little Kong puppy toy. So I think this is where the peanut butter goes. I'm gonna assume this is where the peanut butter goes. How cute. It's pink because I told him that she was a girl. And then we have, what is this? Oh, is it a bandana? Looks like a bandana to me. Looks like a bandana to me. A little red checkered. She looks really good in red, so I'm not gonna complain. And then there is a treat bag. Not too sure if I will use this. But I mean, it'll just slide onto your outfit, I guess. Ew, I don't go to Petco, but here's a $1.50 coupon. Oh, this is cash value of 1 cent. And we have these True Chews premium grillers made with real steak. Made in the USA, which is awesome. Used within 30 days of opening. Yep, so I think that was everything. Oh, there's another coupon in here, but like I said, I don't shop at Petco. I absolutely despise Petco. And I know like these pup boxes come from Petco, but it's not, no. Okay, so overall, we got some treats, we got some clothes, we got some this is all we got in our 2018 December Christmas box, which this is nice. And I also got training tips because she's 3 months old. This is pretty nice, I would say so. I will use all of this probably besides the treat holder, but you never know. Maybe I'll give it a try. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to rate up this video if you liked it. Feel free to subscribe as well. Bye guys!